Good afternoon mga ka-YouTube. We are here in a place where you can find a very nice and wonderful house overlooking the Iliana Bay and the houses. Ang ganda talaga pag marami kang pera, di ba? Malawak ang tanawin mo at ang lawak ng paligid mo. Buti na lang nakabili na ako ng magandang camera para ma-share ko sa mga subscribers ko sa YouTube na iniwan ko ng matagal. Kumusta na kayong lahat? And buti na lang tinaasan na ng amo ko ang sahod ko. Kasi dati pag kukuha ko ng sahod, doon lang ako sa baba. Ngayon, tumaas na ang sahod ko. Dito na kukunin sa second floor. Joke yun. Sana naman makatawa ka sa joke na yun. Okay, so ang ganda ng tanawin. So sa mga bata pa dyan, make sure that you set plans and goals sa buhay mo. You know, when you are going to study in a university or in a college, make sure that you're going to focus on your studies. Make sure that you are going to earn that degree that your parents want you to have, and hopefully land on a job later para makatulong ka sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo. And then save a lot. And at 30, make sure that you have good savings already, and get married, start your family, and make sure that you have more savings so that you can retire at 40. Okay, yung iba mahirapan sa pag retire sa kanilang trabaho kasi wala na silang ibang mapupuntahan. But you know what? Those people na maraming alam, kahit mag-retire sila sa edad na 40, ang daming magagawa nila. Kagaya ko, dati sa abroad ako. At 40, I retired, and ngayon sabi ng iba kung ano-ano na lang daw yung trabaho ko. But ginusto ko yung trabaho ko, where you have your own time. Hindi yung pumasok ka sa trabaho tapos alas 8 lalabas ka naman ng alas 5, hindi ka makapunta kung saan dahil hinawakan sa trabaho mo yung oras mo. So I hope that you are going to envision something big, something far, so that your life will have a better chance of getting the opportunities that can make you feel successful. Yung iba, sinusukat nila yung success sa kung ano kayaman o kung ano ang nakamtan nila sa buhay nila. For some, knowledge is power. So the more knowledge that they have, the more they think that they become successful and fulfilled in life. Depende na sa iyo yun, kung anong gusto mo. Kasi marami namang talagang sabihin nating simpleng buhay lang, pero napakasaya nila. Meron ding makikita nating napakaraming pera nila, but very complicated. Even the small things in life, it can make them sad, it can make them frustrated, it can make them feel that they are failure. Ganyan yan ang buhay. So I hope you choose what path you are going to take, so that you will know the journey, and you will know when you are going to arrive to your destination, because life is a journey. Salamat at maraming salamat. Pakisubscribe